Hello guys, welcome to the second episode of An Alien's Journey. Today we're going to be talking about this oil price drop and how is this influencing our life. First of all, let me give you a little bit of insight here. So I graduated as a geological engineer and now I work as a field engineer for an oil and gas company here in Texas, United States. Oils means everything from the fuel in your car to the plastic that is wrapping your food, to your clothes, to the fertilizer in the agriculture. So it's very widely spread. The oil price drop is not a surprise for anybody. The industry was like that, was working in cycle all the time. It was up and down. In the late 90s, the trigger for the crisis was the signs of a slow economy in Asia, which was a drop in demand that triggered the price drop. After that, in the last crisis in 2014, it was the supply shock from the US shale industry. And now is the coronavirus, which is a demand drop again, and it's leading to these low prices. This crisis began in March 2020 when the oil cartel known as OPEC met with them allies at their headquarters in Vienna in order to speak about cutting the production because of the drop in the demand because of this coronavirus in Asia at that time. When Saudi Arabia and Russia didn't agree on cutting the production, actually Russia said they will not comply with the previous cuttings either in order to get some more market share, and because of that Saudi Arabia said they will increase their production too in order to keep the market share and to dominate the market share. And like that we have a market where the supply it's very high. We have a lot of oil in the market, but the demand it's dropped a lot because of the lockdown in Asia and now all the Europe and USA. And this led to the point where we are today, where the oil price per barrel is around $20. Actually this Monday it was even below $20 a barrel for the West Texas Intermediate, which is the reference for the USA. And European Brent oil is also a little bit over $20, which is lowest in 18 years. We didn't have such prices since 2002. The worst hit by these low prices is the American shale industry, because with such prices most of the American companies they cannot break even and they will probably need to lower the production and maybe shut in some of them. Well, with this crisis and isolation and lockdown, people are not driving to work anymore, are not traveling anymore. 70% of the flights are cut, and that bring with it a lot of drop in demand. The usual consumption is around 100 million barrels a day, and experts are expecting a drop in demand around 20 million barrels a day. That means in like 30 days we are going to have 600 million barrels, which is about the world's storage capacity. United States is asking now Saudi Arabia to leave OPEC and to give up of them strategy of increasing the production. And the situation is even worse on countries where the economy is laying a lot on oil industry like Venezuela or Nigeria, and they are struggling now to find the buyers for them oil. Let's hope that finally Saudi Arabia and Russia will find an agreement about them production, and the price is gonna be back stabilized and everything is gonna be fine, and I will not be out of job, hopefully. Alright guys, I hope I wasn't that boring with all this explanation. I was trying to give you a little bit of information where is this crisis coming from. Thank you for watching and see you next time.